What is happening? I'm Adam, your 911 review guru, with another review for you, and resident macho man. Oh yeah, I'm wearing the shirt and everything. So we've got a fun one for you. It is this, a Sonic toothbrush, JZT MC5100, 5100 Sonic toothbrush. Now, I'm gonna go through it, talk a little bit about it, and yeah, I guess I'm a tooth guy. I've actually had a lot of people pay me to do teeth whitening commercials and reviews and things of the sort. Fairly decent teeth, and I feel like dental hygiene is very important for all of us. So here's the toothbrush. It comes with a nice little charger, and it's a USB charger, so you can plug it into any USB port, which if you're in any way familiar with technology, you'll know that that's a simple, straightforward way to charge your electronic devices. Pretty much use anything that's for a cell phone or whatnot, it'll charge real easily. So it is, the head does come with a travel top that you can put on here. It also has, if you hold down the start button for 5 seconds, it has a protection to keep it from accidentally turning on while you travel. Comes with a nifty travel bag. That's my word of the week, is nifty. So you put that in there. And you know, I travel a lot. Next week I'm going to Michigan to visit my family, as well as next month I'm going back to Cancun just on a little sun and fun vacation. So it does come with a quick start guide with Q&A and everything you need to know about it. Clean mode, switch mode, turn on, turn off, travel lock, and about charging. A fully completed charge can be finished in approximately 10 hours. The LED light indicator lights up red when it needs to be charged, and it's green when it's fully charged. When the toothbrush is fully charged, you can use it for 3 weeks, 2 minutes per time, twice a day. I recommend probably 3 times a day, but I get it. And sometimes I will use an electric toothbrush like this in the morning and at night, and then in the middle of the day, just use a regular toothbrush to clean up my mouth after meals and things like that. So, comes with, again, now a replacement head, so 2 heads. 2 heads are better than 1. Comes with the travel bag, which I imagine the travel bag is specifically for the base of it, and then you can travel with your heads in the bag on the side. You just have to detach them. It does also come with a little free benefit here. It says we want to hear from you. Get 3 for free replacement brushes. Please email us your product review and order number to service@mybeautymate.com, and we'll ship you a gift within 5 days. This promotion is at the manufacturer's discretion. So, fun stuff there, and like I said, it does come with a guide. Where can you order replacement heads, which is Amazon. Is the toothbrush waterproof? Yes, it is. The travel lock is 5 seconds, so if it doesn't start, hold it down for 5 seconds. There's a gap between the handle and the brush. That's normal. Kind of see it between the two. And is it safe for kids? It recommends 8 years and older if they're properly instructed on how to brush their teeth. It does have a 2-minute timer, so you know exactly how long you've brushed for. I normally do 30 seconds top, 30 seconds inside top, and you should always start with top because then the toothpaste works its way down to the bottom, 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 and that's your 2 minutes. And then restart if you want, or just brush your tongue. I always try to get my tongue. That's something I didn't learn until I was probably in my 30s, that you should brush your tongue twice a day. I guess I wasn't maybe doing that enough. I just realized, hey, I want a nice clean pink tongue. Is it safe for kids? Yes. Is it always charging if it's plugged in? No, it has an overcharge protection in the device, so it stops charging if you leave it there. And can I replace my battery? And the answer is no. This brush, when the battery's gone, get a new brush. Folks, every few years, maybe get a new toothbrush. There's nothing wrong with that. So folks, I do recommend it. I recommend that you get a electric toothbrush, and this one's very reasonably priced. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. This is a sponsored review, and we will participate, if possible, in Amazon's affiliate program. So I'll try to get an affiliate link, which is beneficial to me, just being honest with you. So anyway, folks, nice little device. I ordered it on Amazon, and it came really quick, you know, within, I don't know, 24 hours, Amazon Prime type of thing, whatever that is. Within 48 hours, I think you got it within 24. They're very fast these days. And if you have any questions, go ahead and email me. Again, I have a trip to Cancun, so if you are somebody who is a traveler, ask me questions about my travels. I always enjoy talking about that. Check out the comments below to see what other people have to say. And if you purchase one of these, let me know in a comment below. If you're looking to sponsor a review, it's allstarboxoffice@gmail.com, and we could possibly do something with your company. Again, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.